Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use outfit codes in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Outfit codes are different from regular Roblox items because they are used inside a specific game rather than directly in your Roblox inventory. If you've been given an outfit code, the first thing you need to do is search for a game called Catalog Avatar Creator. Simply type Catalog Avatar Creator into the search bar. Make sure you're searching under Experiences, and then click on the correct game from the results. Once you find it, click Play and wait for the game to load. After the game installs and you're inside Catalog Avatar Creator, head over to the left side of the screen and select Community Outfits. From there, choose one of the available categories, such as Most Popular, to continue. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen, where you'll see the Outfit Code option. This is where you need to enter your outfit code. Type the code in and press Enter, and the game will begin loading the outfit. Once the outfit loads, you'll see it applied in the game. You can choose to save it to Roblox, or you can preview how it looks by clicking to wear it. Keep in mind that the outfit will only be applied within this game and won't appear in other games. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use outfit codes in Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.